Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the nitrogen type in each compound. X is equal to piperidine, a saturated secondary amine, sp3 nitrogen. The lone pair on nitrogen is fully available for protonation. This is a typical aliphatic amine, highly basic, pKa of conjugate acid tilde 11. Y is equal to piperidinone, delta valorolactam and amide nitrogen. The lone pair on nitrogen is delocalized into the adjacent carbonyl, C is equal to O, via resonance, making it far less available for protonation. Amides are very weakly basic, pKa of conjugate acid tilde 0 or negative. Z is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydropyridine, cyclic imine, C is equal to N present an sp2 imine nitrogen. The lone pair occupies an sp2 orbital in the plane of the double bond and is not part of the pi system, so it is available for protonation, but the sp2 hybridization means it is held more tightly than an sp3 nitrogen. Imines are moderately basic, pKa of conjugate acid tilde 5, 6, much less than aliphatic amines but much more than amides. Step 2. Rank basicity. Aliphatic amine, kiss smiley imine, Z, amide, Y. Rationale, X has sp3N with no resonance delocalization most basic. Z has sp2N, lone pair is available but less so than sp3 intermediate. Y has amide N, lone pair is strongly delocalized into C is equal to O least basic. Step 3. Match two options. Decreasing order, X, Z, Y, which corresponds to option B. Step 4. Why other options fail. A. X, Y, Z, wrong because amide, Y, is far less basic than imine, Z. C. Y, X, Z, wrong because amide is least basic, not most. D. Y, Z, X, wrong for the same reason. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.